Hello, welcome to our brief quick guide tutorial. These quick guides are brought to you by the Center for Leadership Education in Maternal and Child Health as a result of a collaboration with the State Adolescent Resource Center. The Center for Leadership Education in Maternal and Child Health is supported by the Health Resources and Services Administration of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. We created these quick guides to assist local public health professionals and anyone responsible for improving maternal and child health. New facts and resources are being developed all of the time, making it hard to coordinate local efforts. Also, social media is relatively new, but extremely important tool for health communications. We hope to help coordinate local efforts and utilize social media effectively. In this short training, we will cover how to use the basic parts of each guide. If you have any further questions, please contact the Center for Leadership at mch@umn.edu. To begin, you can find the PDF of each quick guide on our website. Just go to the Resources tab and click on Quick Guides. You can also access the quick guides by simply typing in z.umn.edu/qguides. Here, you can see a complete list of our quick guides. We have over 50 quick guides to help you promote maternal and child health national observance days, weeks, or months. More than 25 quick guides focus on adolescent health observances, and the rest include topics such as cervical health awareness, heart health, HIV/AIDS awareness, and many more. Once you open a PDF, you will notice the observance name is listed at the top of the document next to our logo. Under the Social Media tab, you will find a list of hashtags, which is a good place to start for any observance. You can use it to share information on various platforms and search for other organizations that might be involved in the topic. The social media section also contains YouTube channels, Twitter handles, Instagram users, and Facebook pages that might have a connection to the observance. The names are linked to the organization's page, so you can click right on it and go to the website. Check these websites regularly for the most up-to-date data. If any of the PDFs contain broken links, please let us know via email at mch@umn.edu. Finally, each quick guide provides examples of resources with live links and social media posts that incorporate information provided from the quick guide. These are some examples of how your organization can share information in a social media friendly way. We know you're busy, so we've done the work finding popular hashtags and social media sites for you and including them on our quick guides. This makes promoting a particular observance much easier and quicker for you to promote. All you have to do is click, copy, and share. We hope this is especially helpful for those of you who might be newer to social media. This concludes our brief quick guide tutorial. We wanted to provide as many resources and outlets as possible while still keeping it quick and simple. Promoting a national health observance will still take some of your time, but we hope this helps. Take some time to search the available social media sites, hashtags, and resources to develop your messaging. We would love to hear about how you are using these quick guides. Please consider tagging us on social media sites and feel free to send us an email at mch@umn.edu and tell us how these guides are impacting your work.